Hey guys, my name is Jessica from Peterson SEO, and today I spoke with Anna, and she thought that you guys might be interested in this video I'm about to show you. So today I'm going to tell you a few tips that you guys can apply right away that's going to help with your online presence and getting more leads. It is important to note that nearly 70% of your organic traffic is going to come from your website, so it is really important that your website be properly optimized. So here we are on your website. Got a decent looking website. Looks like you have separate pages for each of your individual services, which is exactly what you want. Hopefully each of those have their own unique content and their own unique local buyer intent keywords. Um, Also, if you service multiple areas, you definitely need to make sure you have separate service area pages, which are like mini home pages that summarize each of your services, but for those various communities. Um, any area that you service that has any type of search volume really needs their own page so that they can be found, so you can be found for your services organically in each of those areas. Let's see, I do see a little bit of content here. Here. But I'm not seeing any local buyer intent keywords. So I'm emphasizing local. Um, so Google does not rank your website based on appearance. It is all based on content. Content is key, and you need a lot of content. You need more content than your top competitors. Your homepage needs a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words, which breaks down to 150 words for every keyword you're trying to target. But you need to be focusing all content around local buyer intent keywords, which are the keywords people are actively searching in your local community. So they're going to be keywords that have a location attached to them. And so all pages need to have their own local buyer intent keywords. Now, Google has little robots called crawlers that go and index all of these pages looking for original content and keywords so they can index you for those, rank you, and put you in front of your customers when your customers are searching for you. Now, if we take a look at your top competitor for water damage in Salt Lake, we have AAA Restoration. They have an okay website. It's not fabulous. They do have the separate individual pages. They do not have separate service area pages. And so that's actually hurting them. But they are going after local buyer intent keywords. So they are actually able to be found for some of their keywords, which is giving them some traffic. They do have more content than you guys do. And so in order to beat these guys or any of your other competitors, you will have to have more content and dial in that keyword strategy. And then a website alone is not enough to be found online. You do have to have the support of SEO or search engine optimization. So here you have a domain rating, which is your website as a whole, of 18 out of 100 in Google's Trust Flow, which isn't too bad. That score is 100% based on referring domains and backlinks. Google only gives you credit for one backlink per referring domain, so the rest of these Google looks at as spam. Not all links are created equal, so you do need to make sure that you're getting do follow links so that they share the power of the high ranking sites and that they are relative to your industry. If we look right here, it looks like only 69 of your referring domains are do follows, which mean only 69 of those backlinks are providing you any sort of help on your website. You have been indexed for over 200 keywords, and you're seeing approximately 214 people to your website on average per month, which isn't too bad, but you are missing out on thousands of potential volume for your service area. If we look at your keywords, you'll notice all of these keywords that you're actually ranking for are branded and national. Unfortunately, that means your metrics are skewed because you don't service the entire United States. So if somebody from a different state um, lands on your website, they're going to leave because you can't help them. So you might get some local, you probably will get some local visitors from these type of keywords, but they're not your local buyer intent keywords. You do have really great volume for local keywords, so you just need to refocus on those keywords. So you can get organic traffic that's actually going to convert for you. If we look at your competitor, they have a good score of a 25. They've got over 2,000 backlinks and over 300 referring domains. Only 115 of them are do follow, so you really only have to beat 115 of those referring domains, but they do need to be also in better quality. They've been indexed for over 1,000 keywords, and they're getting over 346 people to their website. The difference here is that they're using local, oh my goodness, they're using local buyer intent keywords, and so they're actually getting local traffic that is converting. Now, the last thing is this Google Maps section or Google My Business page. Your goal should be to be in the top 3 of this section because nearly 30% of people go to the maps and don't go anywhere else. So if you're not listed in this section, you're sending all those leads to your competition. Now, in order to get in the top 3, there's several factors, but the most important are citations. That's going to be the name of your business, your address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a bunch of directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, Dex, Facebook, etc. So you're going to need a lot more of those than your top competitors. And when you follow all of these tips I provided you today, your website can be #1 across Google for all of your services and service areas using those local buyer intent keywords that are supported by your SEO backlinks. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you found it helpful and that you can start capturing those organic leads. I would really love to get your feedback on this video. And if you have any questions, go ahead and give me a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to hearing from you soon.